Hello everyone, I am Anita Baiju and my seminar topic is cod liver oil. So we are going to discuss these points. Let's start with the overview. Cod liver oil is the oil extracted from the livers of Atlantic cod. Atlantic cod is a type of fish. It is commonly taken as a dietary supplement and it is packed full of nutrients. It is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids which are EPA and DHA. EPA means eicosapentaenoic acid and DHA is the docosahexaenoic acid. And it contains relatively high amounts of vitamin A and D. So the figure shown is the figure of the fish, that is Atlantic cod. So its synonyms are Oleum selacoides and Oleum murure. It belongs to the family of Gagidae. Chemically, cod liver oil is a typical fish oil. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids, as we discussed already. A valuable acid in nutrition, but no one that makes it subject to oxidation, rancification and destruction of vitamin A when it is exposed to air. So, the main difference between the fish oil and the cod liver oil is that cod liver oil is derived from the cod livers, whereas fish oil is derived from the bodies of several types of fish. And another significant difference is that cod liver oil contains fat-soluble vitamin A and D, while fish oil does not normally. So, we can discuss about the properties. It has a pale yellow color and it is a thin liquid. It has a slightly fishy taste and a fishy odor, and it is less viscous in nature. Coming on to solubility, it is freely soluble in chloroform ether, carbon disulfide and petroleum ether, and it is slightly soluble in alcohol. Standards: it has a specific gravity of 0.912 to 0.217 gram, and it has an acid value not less than 2, iodine value 180 to 190, and the refractive index 1.4712, refractive index 1.4712 to 1.475. And source: it is a biological source. It is processed from the fresh liver of codfish Gadus moore and other species of Gadus belonging to the family of Gagidae. And its geographical sources are: it is mainly found in Scotland, Norway, Germany, Iceland and Denmark. And its chemical constituents: the cod liver oil contains glycerides, esters of saturated acids of linoleic acid, oleic, mystic, gadolic, palmitic and other acids. The oil has vitamin A and vitamin D. It also contains 1% of unsaponippable matter like cholesterol, fatty alcohol, squalene, alpha glyceryl esters, etc. So the chemical tests include: a solution of cod liver oil in chloroform is treated with sulfuric acid. A violet color changing to purple or brown is formed due to the presence of vitamin A. To 1 ml of cod liver oil is dissolved in 10 ml of chloroform. Few drops of saturated solution of antimony trichloride is added to the solution. A blue coloration is formed due to the presence of vitamin A. These are the two chemical tests involved. So, about the collection and preparation. The fishing areas of the cod are generally 6 miles away from the seashore. The livers are separated from the fish and are washed at the factory on the shore. Then they are cut into slices and heated in large vessels to a temperature of 82 degrees Celsius using steam. The fixed oil begins to separate at about 55 degrees Celsius, and at 70 degrees Celsius, enzyme lipase is destroyed. The oil thus obtained is crude oil. Further steps include refining, drying, winterization, deodorization and standardization. So, first, refining. It is done under air-free conditions to avoid oxidation. It is rapidly heated to 77 degrees Celsius and passed through mixers. Impurities are removed and then oil and water are transferred to separator under air-free conditions. The process is repeated for further refining and subsequently washed with water. Second, drying. Casually carried out in vacuum drying towers. So drying is casually done in vacuum drying towers. Winterization. It is cooled to 5 degrees Celsius to remove styrene. Styrene is the glyceryl esters of stearic acid. Separated styrene is removed by cold filtration. It gives oil with a high proportion of triglycerides and unsaturated fatty acids. Deodization. It is effected by steaming the oil under vacuum to remove traces of aldehydic or ketonic impurities to avoid oxidation of oil. Such impurities are present in the extents of 0.02%. Final step is standardization. Standardization for required vitamin A content as per pharmacopoeia limits. The BP oil should contain no less than 600 units of vitamin A per gram and no less than 5 units of vitamin D per gram. Drug interactions. Medications for high blood pressure, antihypertensive drugs. It has a moderate interaction rating. So, cod liver oil seems to decrease the blood pressure. Taking cod liver oil along with the medications for high blood pressure might cause blood pressure to get low. And medication that slow blood clotting, that is anticoagulant or antiplatelet drugs. So, it also has a moderate interaction rate. Cod liver oil might slow blood clotting. Taking cod liver oil along with medications that can also slow clotting might increase and chances of bruising and bleeding occurs. Dosage. Dosing considerations for cod liver oil. The appropriate dose of cod liver oil depends on the several factors such as the user's age, health, and several other conditions. At this time, there is not enough scientific information to determine an appropriate range of doses for cod liver oil. Keeping in mind the natural products are not always necessarily safe and the doses can be important. Be sure to follow the relevant directions and on product labels and consult your pharmacist or physician or other healthcare professionals before using. Use. Cod liver oil is an excellent source of nutrients and it may have some important therapeutic properties. It is thought to help to relieve joint stiffness associated with arthritis and have a common effect on cardiovascular health and help in revive damaged teeth, nails, hair and skin. It is also used as a nutritive and it is used in the treatment of rickets due to its vitamin D content. Other uses include, due to its bacteriostatic properties, it is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and it decreases the blood cholesterol level as it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It is also used in veterinary practice. Here are some side effects and the main side effects include when taken as directed multivitamins. Multivitamins is also cod liver oil. Multivitamins are not expected to cause serious side effects. Common side effects may include upset stomach, headache, or unusual or unpleasant taste in your mouth. Cod liver oil is not for everyone. However, cod liver oil is probably best avoided by asthmatics and people taking anticoagulants such as warfarin. Pregnant women may want to consider consulting a doctor when taking cod liver oil because of the high amount of retinol. Storage. Always store fish oils in fridge after opening as it slows down oxidation. Exposure to light can also cause oxidation. So fish oil that is packaged in dark brown glass bottles may help to address this. So it should be packed in a sealed container which is very tight closed containers. Adulteration. Adulteration has been a serious problem in the trade of fats and oils for a long time because there is a great difference in the price for different oil products. Adulterants were sometimes added deliberately, occasionally or accidentally. It involves the addition of cheaper oils. The potential adulterants of fish oil are animal fats. Fish oils are most expensive oils compared to animal fats. Therefore, fish oil is subject to adulteration to increase economic profits. So as to conclude, consumption and popularity of cod liver oil supplements is quite substantial. This is very popular product with a wide spectrum of uses and benefits. The positive outcomes of consuming the components of cod liver oil, which are omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A and D, and are well reported and proved. However, it is advisable to obtain these nutrients from the food consumed as part of the person's normal diet rather than through supplementation alone. And thank you.